In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Revolut Contactless on phone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, if you wish to enable contactless payments for your Revolut card on your phone, all you have to do is open up the Revolut app, go into the Card Security tab by selecting the settings in the menu, and from there you will have the option to enable contactless payments, either on your specific card window or in the general settings window. Regardless, after you find and enable this option, contactless payments should be enabled. Keep in mind that this option is on by default on Revolut cards nowadays, but it's important to check if you suspect for some reason it may have been turned off. Once you enable this option inside of the Revolut app, you will be able to use any digital wallet, for example, Apple Pay or Google Pay, add your card to those apps with the steps I'm showing you on screen, and use it as long as you have NFC enabled on your phone. So all you have to do is open up your digital wallet and add the card through there. I won't show you how to do this for every wallet, but as you can see, this is the process for Apple Pay and Google Pay. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Revolut Contactless on phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.